In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved searches in the Realtor.com app if your saved searches have piled up or your criteria have changed. Clearing out the ones you no longer need can make the app faster to navigate and your alerts more relevant. I'll walk you through the exact process, and along the way, I'll share a few helpful tips so you feel confident doing this on your own. Start by opening the Realtor.com app on your phone or tablet. Give it a moment to load to the home screen. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in so your saved items appear. Being signed in ensures you're looking at the searches tied to your account across all your devices. Next, look for the heart icon, which is labeled My Listings. You'll typically find this along the bottom navigation bar. Tap that heart to open your personal hub. This area collects what you've saved in the app, and it's where we'll access your saved searches. Inside this section, you'll see menu options that group different kinds of saved items. Choose Saved Searches. This view specifically lists the searches you've chosen to keep, often with the search title, location, filters, and the number of matching homes. Now locate the specific search you want to remove. If you have quite a few, scan the titles and locations or look at the criteria summary to confirm you've found the right one. Taking a second to verify helps avoid deleting something you still want. When you're sure, use one of two quick actions. You can tap the three vertical dots to the right of the search name to open the options menu, then choose Delete. Or, if you prefer gestures, simply swipe left across the search name to reveal the red Delete option, then tap it. If you see a confirmation prompt, confirm to finalize. That's it. The search is removed. Keep in mind, deleting a saved search also stops any notifications or alerts tied to that search's criteria. This won't delete your saved homes or favorites. It only affects the search itself. If you have more searches to clean up, repeat the same action for each one. And if something doesn't look exactly like this, icons can shift slightly with app updates. The names and placement should still be very similar. Make sure your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. You've now learned how to open the app, head to My Listings, enter saved searches, pick the one you don't need, and delete it with a tap or a swipe. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting with a cleaner, more focused app.